If y'all got any wood, cigarettes, crack pipes, anything y'all got, go ahead and get y'all shit together. You gonna go ahead and get right into this bitch. That's my last time saying it.
Yeah, nigga. Next year I'm dropping me old school. I got more money than these old niggas old dudes. Niggas wanna be me, hoes wanna fuck me. I'm a whole moon. White bus on that black.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy John from the motherfucking land, y'all. Back at it again, y'all, with another motherfucking reaction video. And today we got us some more fucking surveillance footage. Well, I don't know about the surveillance footage. I ain't even watched the video yet. But we got some new information about the K-Flock case. Apparently, he might have a case for self-defense. You know what I'm saying? He might be, you know what I'm saying? He might have a get out of jail free card. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see what the fuck the issue is or what's going on. Y'all know DJ Academics always got the motherfucking juice. The nigga always keep us up to date with all the latest hip-hop news. But anyway, y'all, we finna go ahead and react to this motherfucking video. It's like 8 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too long. It ain't gonna take too much time out your day, bitch. No, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? Don't even take that to offense. But anyway, y'all, we gonna go ahead and get to this video. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Go ahead and get my shit right. Yeah, we back, baby. But we gonna go ahead and get right into this. If y'all got any wood, cigarettes, crack pipes, anything y'all got, go ahead and get y'all shit together. You gonna go ahead and get right into this bitch. That's my last time saying it.
On the designer demon, the Amiri assassin, and the Montclair menace.
He called his ass the Amiri assassin.
K-Flock. Now, people, K-Flock may have just got a Hail Mary because there's new surveillance footage that's actually contradicting what the cops are claiming that happened, okay? Now, we're gonna get to that, but first off, he got a lawyer, and it's the infamous lawyer known as Scott Lehman. If you don't know Scott Lehman also represented Shotty and usually represents a lot of people within the rap community when they're charged with crimes. Now, he put out a statement on behalf of K-Flock saying, yesterday I accompanied Kevin as he self-surrendered to detectives at the 30th Precinct. Arrangements were immediately made with NYPD once I learned he was wanted. As to the charges levied against him, we have begun our own investigation into these allegations. More importantly, considering the DA's significant disclosure this morning that the NYPD received a tip saying someone else is a shooter, we demanded the DA office provide prompt disclosure of the videos referenced in the complaint and more information on the tip. We will address bail once we have a chance to review the pertinent discovery and to further investigate the DA's noteworthy disclosure. Now,
hold the fuck on. How the fuck the police gonna say what the fuck happened? Have footage, and it don't be what the fuck the police said. See, the police be on some bullshit.
Let me just break down the statement for you.
Free K-Flock.
I like Scott Lehman, but he's doing exactly what he's getting paid for. Okay, he's defending the client, but it's contradictory when he's saying, "Yo, listen, hey." Pretty much, I'm hearing there's new discovery that someone else is a shooter and that, yo, my client is innocent. But then he continues to say, we have not examined the evidence that the DA, who, by the way, has to present evidence to lock somebody up or keep somebody in jail, he says he hasn't examined the information or the evidence that the cops got against K-Flock. He's just going off a random tip. That tip could have been for anywhere. Anyway. The major thing is,
that's fucking crazy. Turn it down a little bit.
A video that seems to capture the moments leading up to
the Amiri assassin.
Okay, now which I watched on my screen. It's basically K-Flock, and it seems like two other individuals are walking down the street. They walk past what I'm gonna assume is a barbershop or some type of store, and a guy who looked like he saw K-Flock walks out and starts looking in the direction that K-Flock walks in. Okay?
Got him. This nigga might get out of jail for self-defense, folks. That nigga deliberately came outside after he seen K-Flock walk through the, you know what I'm saying, walk past the, you know what I'm saying? He saw folks' ass walk past the door, said, oh yeah, let me get on folks' ass, and got turned into Swiss fucking cheese. Stop playing with people like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, bruh, I ain't got no ops. But you know what I'm saying? Play pussy, get fucked.
Okay, he walks after K-Flock. There's another guy who walks out, and we see several people kind of walking in and out of the frame, seemingly to
sorry if you go have a. I feel bad for anybody that had a seizure during that when I just did the light thing. I was not being considerate when I did that. I am very sorry. You have a seizure. I'm sorry.
Pretty much tell us that off camera something is going on. Okay? Now, it directly contradicts what NYPD said. NYPD said K-Flock went up into the barbershop and basically asked the dude, bro, what you looking at?
That nigga did not go inside.
Now, that would make K-Flock the aggressor. In this situation, K-Flock was minding his business. Somebody came out of a barbershop and probably got into it with him. Now, I'm saying probably because we really don't know what happened off camera. Now, let's just go with the thing to say he probably got into it with K-Flock, the victim, right? Here's the thing that's still going to make this a very complicated case. Because I know some people are thinking, well, it's self-defense. Yo, it's self-defense, it's self-defense, it's self-defense. We're not in Florida. This ain't Florida. This is New York City. First of all, you got a legal gun. There's no handguns allowed in New York City. So you're already looking at 3 to 5, okay? By the way, let me just say it again. There ain't no handguns allowed in New York City, okay? Unless you're a former police. So already, you're out of bounds, okay?
Yeah.
So already, K-Flock, he's down bad for that. Secondly, because it's New York City, okay, the self-defense laws are different than Georgia or Florida. In Florida, somebody slap you or they pull a gun on you, robbing you. If you chase that nigga down for 10 miles and you end up clapping him to get your shit back, you know what that means? You are standing your ground. You're defending yourself and you have no reasonable right to retreat. You could actually, basically, if a nigga start a problem, you could end it. Now, in New York City, what happens is, and this is the reality of the law, basically, if somebody, like, for example, say the guy walked out the barbershop, say he confronted K-Flock, right? Say he started talking shit to him, or even say he hit K-Flock. Now, say K-Flock pulls out a gun. If he said, oh, chill, if K-Flock shoots him afterwards, that's not self-defense. Not in New York City.
Yeah.
New York City says you could only kill somebody only when you feel you were about to be killed by that person. If that person changes their mind, if they verbally say to you, nah, we good, because maybe you pulled a gun on them, if anything of the sort happens, you cannot kill that person. That is not self-defense at that point. They call that flat-out murder, okay?
Damn.
Now, here's how it's going to end up. If it's going to be a self-defense thing, it's all going to be about what happened when that guy walked out of the barbershop. Because not because he started it means K-Flock could kill him. Did he attack K-Flock? Did he slap K-Flock? Did he, do something to K-Flock that K-Flock thought that his life was in danger and he needed to immediately use a weapon? If that was K-Flock that was rocking, the designer, Amiri drip, you know what I mean? Again, he has to prove that in court.
Bro, he whacked the nigga in the mind Cleasy, rocking Amiri's with the glizzy. Close ass was a real New Yorker. Fat ass coat, skinny ass pants, with the Mac on him.
However, if they raise self-defense, it's the burden of proof isn't really on him, it's on the prosecutor. Now, what could help K-Flock's case if this is actually going to happen, right? Say the other guy had a gun. Say the other guy had a gun and maybe shot. Say the other guy had some type of weapon. Say the other guy, I don't know, started beating K-Flock's ass and K-Flock thought he might get killed by this guy, okay? Maybe it's one of those situations. Basically, I'm trying to say K-Flock, if he's going to use self-defense, has to prove his life was in danger in the moment that he shot the other guy. That's if that whole person is K-Flock, because his stands are completely in denial, claiming it's still not him, okay? So, again, we'll see what happens, but New York is the absolute worst place to claim self-defense at because it doesn't matter who started it. It only matters, hey, is this the only option of you getting out of this situation by killing someone? It don't matter if they started it. It don't matter if, you know what I mean, you were getting your ass beat, but you were still coherent and your life wasn't threatened. If you can't prove that if you didn't kill this motherfucker, you wouldn't be alive, they're sending you straight to prison.
That's fucked up.
We'll see what happens. This is going to be in the courts for a while. I don't see him getting bail anyway. But we'll see how this case plays out. And also, I'm pretty sure there's probably a bunch of surveillance cameras in this and third that will probably show what's going on and what happened, and probably give us a little bit more of a clearer picture into what he's facing. Keep in mind, the police reviewed all this information before they filed charges. So I'm gonna just be hesitant in believing the lawyer who claims he hasn't even looked at it yet to think the lawyer's telling the truth or more accurate than the police at this point. We'll see what it is, man. But get in the comments, make sure you guys like them, subscribe. Listen, man, it's a Merry Christmas, man. Stay safe and out these streets. These niggas don't give a fuck about nothing
at all. I'm weak. Hold on, this it, y'all. All right, he walked past. Okay, he walked past. Then he was like, yeah, let me, hold on. Is that who I think it is? Yeah, let me get on folks' ass. Like, probably like, what up, fo? You want an autograph? Hell no, I want an autograph, nigga. It's a stick up. Run your shit. When his ass get blew down. It ain't no sound, y'all. I'm trying to fill in the sound with my voice. Look, everybody like, yeah, motherfuckers just got smoked, broad daylight. Stop playing with people, man. Y'all ass be crazy. But there's people crazier than you. Trust. Anyway, though, y'all. Hold on, let me go back to the chat screen, man. Anyway, though, y'all, if y'all like that reaction video, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and follow the motherfucking social medias in the bottom. Or go ahead and motherfucking do what you gotta do. Just subscribe to the channel. That's the only one I really want you to do. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna fuck with y'all boys in the next motherfucking video. Let me know how y'all like the setup. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all want to set up motherfucking tutorial or review. My shit not really all together. But I still, you know what I'm saying? I still do that for y'all boys if y'all want that. Let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna fuck with y'all boys in the next video. Stay high.